In a surprise move, the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries has announced major cuts in production. The move has jolted the international market and sent oil prices soaring. This is the second time that the major oil-producing countries have announced production cuts in less than a year. The company made the announcement on Sunday. It said that it will be cutting oil production by more than 1 million barrels per day. The organization, led by Saudi Arabia, has called this a precautionary move aimed at stabilizing the market. Soon after the announcement, oil prices soared by almost 6% in Asian markets. The move will come into effect from next month until the end of the year. The announcement also shattered the global oil benchmarks. The Brent crude hit its highest in nearly a month, trading at nearly $85 per barrel. The West Texas Intermediate also touched its highest since late January, reaching over $80 a barrel. Goldman Sachs raised its Brent price forecast to $95 and $100 per barrel for 2023 and 2024 respectively. It also made an estimate that output reduction could provide a 7% boost to oil prices. The announcement is expected to fan fresh fears about inflation and to put more pressure on central banks to hike interest rates further. The U.S. has termed the move as unwise. Washington has been calling on OPEC Plus since last year to increase oil production in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, which led to a spike in the price of oil. This has in turn fueled inflation across the world. Countries from the US to European Union are already facing the brunt of rising cost of living. The situation is even worse in countries like Pakistan and Sri Lanka, which are struggling to rebuild their collapsed economies. Now, with oil prices bound to rise further, the cost of living crisis is set to get worse. Today, the 13 member nations of OPEC, along with 11 non-allied members, are expected to hold a meeting of the Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee. The move by the Saudi-led grouping is also an indication of an evolving world order where the US has little say in the affairs. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.